Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the mock drill session on management of postpartum hemorrhage. So here we have the case scenario. Mrs. Annie, who is 26 years old, primary mother. She has delivered through normal vaginal delivery. After 30 minutes of delivery, she has started with a heavy vaginal bleeding. So this is our case scenario. Articles required for the management of postpartum hemorrhage is syringe with needle, 2 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml. Then we require the uterotonic drugs, injection oxytocin, methargine, tranexamic acid and misoprostol tablet. Then we require vacuities for collection of blood, IV cannula, 16 and 18 gauge, adhesive tape, blood transfusion set and IV set, Ringer's lactate solution 500 ml, sponge holding forceps, Sims vaginal speculum, kidney tray, bowls, betadine solution, sterile gauze swab, Foley's catheter with Urobag, lignocaine gel, long gloves, sterile gloves and examination gloves. Then we require the balloon tamponade. We'll start our mock drill session. I, Damini Patel, playing role as junior nurse. Mrs. Darshana, who is playing role as senior nurse. Miss Sonali, Miss Anjali, Miss Pratiksha, who is playing role as student nurse. Miss Anjali, Miss Lirina, who is playing role as standardized patient, and Miss Lirina is playing role as patient relative.
सिस्टर
सनी,
मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है, मेरा सर घूम रहा है, मेरी सांस फूल रही है, नीचे से ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ खून जैसा जा रहा है।
ठीक है, मैं अभी चेक कर रही हूँ। दर्शना सिस्टर, कम फास्ट, पेशेंट इज हेवीली ब्लीडिंग।
क्या हुआ दामिनी सिस्टर?
पेशेंट को ड्राउजीनेस लग रहा है और पल्स रेट हाई हो गए और बहुत ज्यादा ब्लड जा रहा है।
So this is a case of PTH. We need to start the emergency management.
ओके सिस्टर।
Call everyone.
प्रतीक्षा सिस्टर, सोनाली सिस्टर, अंजलि सिस्टर, कम फास्ट।
Damini sister, you take care with the medication, catheterization and the perineal laceration. Anjali sister, you take care with the blood collection sample and IV cannulation. Pratiksha sister, you take care with the communication and documentation. And Sonali sister, you take care with the vitals and any needed medication. Start your work.
आपको नीचे से
Damini sister, get injection oxygen and
Okay sister, I'm preparing.
Anjali sister, do the IV cannulation and collect the blood samples. Okay sister.
सिस्टर बहुत खून गिर रहा है मेरी बहन का नीचे से। आपकी बहन का ज़्यादा खून जा रहा है, उसको कम करने की आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप घबराना मत।
Injection oxytocin 5 international unit IV slowly given.
Okay. Damini sister,
Yes sister.
start the injection IL with 14 unit of oxytocin at 60 drops per minute.
Yes sister, I'm preparing.
Sister, IV definition done. I send the blood for the CBC and the cross match. Okay. So now
40 international unit. RL infusion started 60 drops per minute.
Okay. BP is 100/60 and pulse is 110.
Patient is tachycardic and hypotensive.
Okay, Damini sister, do the catheterization.
Okay, sister. I'm going for the hand washing. Regarding solution. मिसेस एनी, आप घबराइएगा मत, आपको एक पेशाब की नली लगने वाली है. थोड़ी लंबी लंबी गहरी गहरी सांसें लीजिए. हाँ, वेरी गुड. यूरोबैक. Catheterization is done, sister.
Damini ma'am, check the any retained placenta is there or perineal laceration.
Okay, sister. There is no any retained products of placenta that is present.
Anjali sister, check the hardening of uterus.
Sister, there is a small perineal tear is present.
Okay, apply the sterile gauze piece.
Sister, uterus is soft and boggy.
Okay, continue the uterine massage.
Sister, uterus is not getting contracted.
Sonali sister, start the injection oxytocin 5 ml and unit IV slow.
Injection oxytocin 5 international unit IV given.
Okay, so now bleeding is not controlled, so we need to do the bimanual compression. Pratiksha sister, just inform the patient, present relatives regarding the bimanual
Okay,
compression.
sister. मिसेस एनी, आपको नीचे से खून ज़्यादा जा रहा है, तो हम नीचे से हाथ डाल के खून को कम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. आप घबराना मत. पेशेंट को नीचे से खून ज़्यादा जा रहा है, तो उनको हम नीचे से हाथ डाल के खून को कम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो आपको घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
ठीक है, आपको जो भी करना है वो जल्दी कीजिए.
ओके.
Okay, so for the bimanual compression, we need to insert our forefinger first, and our thumbs will be inside the fingers, and then we need to make a wrist. So like the first forefinger we need to insert inside, and then inside we need to make a wrist. And from the abdomen we need to first palpate the fundus, and from the upper side on fundus we need to give the pressure, and from inside also we need to give the pressure.
Sister, how long you will do the bilateral compression?
Till the uterus feel like cricket ball and trace bleeding stop.
Okay, sister.
Sonali sister, check the vitals every 10 minutes.
Yes, sister.
Okay. So now bleeding is somewhat reduced, but we need to transfer the patient to higher center care. Anjali sister, do the referral formalities, and Pratiksha sister, call the ambulance.
Okay, sister. I'm calling ambulance. हेलो, हमारे हॉस्पिटल में पीडीएस का पेशेंट है, तो उसको हम रेफर कर रहे हैं। ओके, तो आप जल्दी से एम्बुलेंस भेज दीजिए। ओके, थैंक यू।
Sister,
Referral process ready.
okay. So now we refer the patient to tertiary care center, but we don't have uterine tamponades at our facility, so we'll transfer the patient.
So here we have completed our mock drill session on management of postpartum hemorrhage. Thank you everyone.